Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity for us to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. If you're joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? If you have any question at all, can you drop your questions in the comment section? I'll always be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, I said we will be checking out some assets and we'll see the direction of the market for each of them. Okay, and of course, if you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis which I will be dishing out in this video. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So quickly, let's check it out. Okay guys, boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This market has been going on downtrend right from here, but it's played around there for a very long time before breaking out below the support zone, and it has gotten to this support zone and it's unable to break out below it. So right now it is going back on uptrend. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset we're going to be analyzing is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. And just the way we have seen it, okay, this had been on uptrend before but got to this resistance and was unable to break through. So right now it's going back on downtrend, but it needs to break out below this support zone. If it does not, then it might need to buy for a while. If it breaks out below this support zone, let me put an horizontal line there. Okay, if it breaks out below it, then definitely this is the next stage it will be going to. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Just the way we have seen it, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone and it came to an end at this support zone. It went back up, and of course it is coming down again, trying to see if it will break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below this particular support zone, then here is the next stage for it. And if it does not break out below this, then it will go back on buy trend. So for now it is still selling until it is unable to sell again. That is when it will start going back on buy trend. That is until it is unable to break out from the support zones. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. And of course this had been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course you can see it getting to this support zone. So it's going back on uptrend, got to this region, pull back, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then it will continue to buy. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. It has been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it went back up and it might be trying it out again. If it's unable to break out below it, then it will go back on a full uptrend, but if it breaks out below it, then it will continue to sell. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below it. That is when it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.